is a T-Rex. He lived 65 million years ago. And now you're going to see parts of T-Rex. This is his ribs, this is his hip, this is his legs, and this is his tail. And that's his head and neck. And that's his arms. Feet. That's his feet. And there is his other foot. You can see in his ribs, and you can see his teeth. And here's his huge tail. That I found this T-Rex in the backyard, under my plant, because the head was by the under the plant because it was in the garden. The head was under the plant, and then these pieces were on the other side of the plant. And then I had to wash all these pieces in the bathtub. It got a little dirty. And then my mom had to wash the bathtub because I cleaned it. This is the bones of T-Rex. That's the whole entire body. I used this foot to use this foot thing to hold them up, and I carved footprints for it, and it was very good. There's my kitty. Just say hello to my kitty. Go, baby. I was just saying hello to my little kitty. Now let's see the rest of T-Rex. That's the whole body of it. There's the head. There's some teeth. That's where the eyeball was, right there. This is where he sniffed the stuff out instead of his nose. His nose smelled out little stuff, like little animals that were hiding. Pretend that meteor hit the earth and hit this flat. And it killed a 3-year-old T-Rex that I found. And he lived 65 million years ago. But Gigantosaurus was still bigger. A 3-year-old Gigantosaurus will be way bigger than this. You know, the Gigantosaurus lived first, and then the T-Rex came. Did you know how scientists knew that? Because they found Gigantosaurus was older, and he got more cracks than the T-Rex does. Gigantosaurus lived before the T-Rex. Look at all these bones. This is a T-Rex. Bones. It was a skeleton. I'm trying to get him famous because he was so famous. I want my 3-year-old T-Rex to be famous. This is the end of T-Rex skeleton.